Hello and welcome to this video on a checkmating 2 chess puzzle. This one was devised by Sam Loyd in 1859. So how do we get a checkmating 2? If we try to get a check with the king with the knight, then the bishop can just trade off the knight and then they can push the pawn forwards, which gets the white king in all sorts of trouble and black is winning. So we're not going to get a checkmating 2 that way. If we push the f pawn, then that doesn't really get us any progress because the king can just escape, and even if we do a reveal check, it's obviously not checkmating 2. If we do a check by moving the queen up to h6, the king can escape and then we can't really make any progress, so no checkmating 2 this way. If we do a waiting move of the queen, then the bishop can move in to help defend the king. Shifting the queen over to this position can now result in us getting some checks. We can eventually snap up the bishop, and then the best move for black is to move the rook out of the way. Then they have to block with the bishop and block with the rook to eventually get the checkmate in 7. But how do we get the checkmate in 2? Okay, the solution to this one is actually to move the queen over to a5. Then it doesn't matter what black does. If they move the bishop down here, for example, we can just take the bishop with the knight to give checkmate. If they move the other bishop down, we can just move the queen down to checkmate them along the diagonal. If they try to move the bishop down like that, you can just checkmate over the king directly. Okay, that's the end of this video. See you in the next one.